Welcome to Twin Souls as One. Today we are going to discuss about watching tarot readings by twin flames. If you really ever want to be with your twin flame, please stop getting psychic readings, stop watching tarot readings, do not get twin flame readings done. Do not inquire about your twin flame journey. Do not try to know about the whereabouts of your twin flame, because all of that are physical actions taken in the physical world, while this is a soul based journey and energetic connection, and not any physical world based physical relationship. This is a divinely guided, soul orchestrated journey. Focusing on what your twin flame is doing, thinking, feeling, saying is all that is actually keeping you away from them. All of these actions of yours are fear based energy making you chase them. It is showcasing your obsessive, needy lack energy, which will create more of lack situations by reflecting the lack in the outside world. Your outside world is a reflection of your inner world, and thereby you will be delaying your journey by prolonging your separation. Everything related to the physical world is irrelevant in your twin flame journey. Get this right, straight in your head. And where your attention goes, your energy flows. So if you're constantly focusing on your twin flame energetically, physically, mentally, emotionally, whichever way, you are pushing your energy onto them, which they can feel clearly, because you're one soul, one conscience. And so they will pull away further physically by default. This is how the polarized energy plays out in the physical world. That is why it is always advised to the feminine energy to put its entire focus on itself. When she focuses on her twin focuses anywhere else but her. They will focus on their work, family, partner, girlfriends, friend, colleagues, but not their feminine counterpart. As discussed in my last video, the feminine energy is the push energy, the masculine energy is the pull energy. And we are talking about energies here and not gender. A male can also have dominant energy as feminine energy, and a female can also have her dominant energy as masculine energy. It is generally the counterpart that holds feminine energy watches twin flame videos to know more about the journey. She is divinely guided to do the research work to advance further in her journey, because she is the one who leads the journey by working in the spiritual realm, while the masculine follows her by taking actions in the physical world. Now, just like the feminine counterpart's push energy is an addictive energy, the masculine's pull energy is also an addictive energy. The feminine satisfies her addictive energy by chasing the masculine, while the masculine satisfies his addictive energy through anything else other than the feminine counterpart. Thereby, checking tarot readings, getting psychic readings done is you pushing your energy on the masculine counterpart. So stop doing these completely for once and all. Stop obsessing, stop wandering. Nothing good ever will take place from it. In fact, it's only reducing your chances of being with your twin flame for good. And nothing that the tarot readers tell you is going to help you, and none of it is correct. Checking tarot reading, psychic reading also gives a signal to the universe that you do not have your twin flame by your side. So the universe now mirrors you more of your lack situation and puts you more into physical separation. So you, in short, you are actually elongating your physical separation by showcasing that lack energy. You and your twin flame are one soul and polarized. So, whatever is your energy determines what is the equivalent energy. Looking at your own energy, you can determine theirs. So, if you're constantly trying to know about their whereabouts, what are they doing, thinking of you, missing you or not, if they are with anyone else or not, when will their third parties in the journey go away, then see which energy are you in. You are in obsessive, needy, chasing, lack energy. So, how can you expect your masculine to be in a better energy? They will remain involved in their karmic world and keep going deeper into it the more you remain in this energy of yours. Your masculine follows you. The deeper you go into your inner work in within yourself, the more you empower them to resolve their karmas on their side. So the more you follow tarot readings, channelings, and energy check, the more you will loop and remain stuck in your journey. The more you focus on them, the more they focus somewhere else. So bring back all of your focus completely onto you. This journey calls for complete faith and surrender to divine. It calls for letting go of your twin flame completely. True divine love is freedom. Set him free completely. Let him do what he wants. You do your part. Let divine take care of the rest. Focus on your ascension, your spiritual practices, your overall growth. Your masculine resides within you. You need not look out for anything else. The outside world is just an illusion. There is actually no separation between you two. You're always together, even now you are in oneness. So, whatever thoughts you hold for him, he subconsciously already knows and works accordingly. You hate him, blame him, he will do the same. The more ego you show him, he will show multiplied. He is mirroring you, right? So, I hope this video is of help to you. Thank you for your patient hearing. If you liked it, please do subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more such informative videos. Have a good day and lots of love.